Lilo. Come here, Lilo. Lilo, come. Lilo, come bring me the package. Come on. Want to bring that? No? I'll just throw it for you then. Come on, Lilo. Want it? Lilo, want it? Go get it. You're thirsty. Needs a water break. Pug puppy needs a water break. FedEx puppy getting tired. Yeah.
Pony Express.
Yeah.
The Pug Express.
Yeah, it's the Pug Express. Works for FedEx. Go get it.
FedEx package has a dog on it, doesn't it?
No, you don't want to deliver that now? Fine, give up on us.
Yeah, she's tired.
Bye, Lilo.